All right, so this is a guided walkthrough for the ANA level from the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. Let us begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to begin this level is to read the mission.txt file. The mission.txt file is going to tell you what you need to do to finish the level. Okay, so this is mission 15, and the text says, maybe Sudo can help you be Natalia. So maybe Sudo can help you be Natalia. So this is going to introduce an interesting concept in the Linux system. These are sudo commands. So sudo commands are what let you run different commands in the context of different users. If you use sudo by itself, it assumes that what you want to do is to run a command in the context of the root user, but you can actually find out what commands you can run as sudo, if any, with this command right here, sudo-l. So this is actually a very useful command when you're doing CTF challenges, because sometimes your user can run certain commands with elevated privileges. So if you run this command, you're gonna see this message over here. So user Anna, which is our user, may run the following commands on Venus, which is the name of the host. As the Natalia user with no password, you can run bin bash. So basically what you can do is you can become the Natalia user by running this command with sudo. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the sudo command, and then you're going to specify a user by doing -u, and the name of the user is Natalia, and then you're going to run bin bash. You don't need to specify the full file path, but it doesn't hurt. Anyways, sudo u Natalia /bin/bash. We didn't need to provide a password because we can run that command with no password. And we see here that we are now the Natalia user. If we ask who am I, it says we are the Natalia user and not the Anna user. So what we need to do now is we need to get the password for Natalia. We can do that by entering the home directory. So Natalia's home directory we can access by going to cd /tilde, or we can just do the cd command by itself, and that switches us over to our home directory. If we do pwd, it says we're in the pwned/Natalia directory, which is the Natalia user's home directory. So let's clear this off. Let's take a look at what's in this directory. So in this directory, there's this Natalia pass.txt file, and we need to read this. And this is the password for this user, Natalia. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so let's finish this level. I'm just going to exit and then exit again. All right, so this was the Anna level, our target user. Target user, in this case, was the Natalia user. And the method of solve, use the sudo command to open a shell in the context of the Natalia user. And the key command in this case was sudo u Natalia bash, or you could do bin bash as well. Either way it will work. Okay, let's commit these changes. All right, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Anna level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.